Recent online discussions have been abuzz with anticipation surrounding the next generation of Nintendo's popular gaming console, the Nintendo Switch 2. A wave of leaks and rumors has emerged, offering tantalizing glimpses into the potential features and capabilities of this highly anticipated device. While official confirmation from Nintendo is still pending, these leaks have ignited excitement among gamers worldwide. From enhanced graphics and improved performance to innovative controller designs and expanded online features, the Switch 2 is rumored to offer a significant leap forward in gaming technology. The prospect of playing beloved Nintendo franchises in stunning new visuals, coupled with the potential for groundbreaking gameplay experiences, has captured the imagination of both casual and hardcore gamers alike. As we eagerly await further details and official announcements, the Nintendo Switch 2 continues to shape up as a promising addition to the gaming landscape. The leaked images of the purported Nintendo Switch 2 prototype have ignited a frenzy of speculation among gaming enthusiasts. The most striking feature is the noticeably larger screen, which promises a more immersive gaming experience. This expansion is likely accompanied by a boost in resolution and perhaps even a higher refresh rate, ensuring smoother gameplay. Another significant upgrade hinted at in the images is the inclusion of USB-C ports on both the top and bottom of the device. This dual-port configuration offers greater flexibility for connecting various peripherals, such as controllers, headsets, and external storage devices. It also suggests that Nintendo may be exploring new charging options, potentially allowing for faster charging times or even wireless charging capabilities. Finally, the rumored inclusion of an onboard microphone is a tantalizing prospect. This feature could open up new avenues for gaming, enabling voice chat, voice commands, or even the possibility of recording gameplay footage directly from the console. A recent flurry of leaked images depicting the purported design of a highly anticipated tech device has ignited widespread speculation and excitement among enthusiasts. However, the question of authenticity remains paramount. Are these leaks genuine or fabricated? To shed light on this matter, renowned tech experts at Digital Foundry have meticulously examined the leaked images. Their analysis, grounded in a deep understanding of device design and manufacturing processes, has led to a compelling conclusion. These images are highly likely to be authentic. The experts' reasoning is rooted in the intricate complexity of certain components, particularly the motherboard. Faking such a component with a level of detail and accuracy that would convincingly mimic a real-world prototype would be an exceptionally challenging undertaking, requiring a degree of expertise and resources that would make it highly improbable. The level of detail and precision observed in the leaked images strongly suggests that they are based on a tangible, real-world prototype. The presence of minute features, assembly marks, and other indicators typically found in manufactured devices lends credence to the authenticity of the leaks. Another exciting rumor is that the Nintendo Switch 2 might have a significantly improved battery life. This is a crucial factor for a handheld console, and it seems like Nintendo is prioritizing it. The new console is rumored to have a larger battery capacity and a more efficient processor, resulting in longer playtime. There was speculation that AMD might be the chipmaker behind the Nintendo Switch 2. However, it seems that Nvidia has won the contract. The reason for this is likely due to Nvidia's ability to offer the same performance as AMD's chips, but with better power efficiency. This is crucial for a handheld console where battery life is a major concern. While these leaks are incredibly exciting, we still have a lot to learn about the Nintendo Switch 2. When will it be officially announced? What will the final design look like? And most importantly, what games will it launch with? In the comments below, let me know your thoughts on these latest leaks. Are you excited about the potential of the Nintendo Switch 2? What features are you most looking forward to? Share your ideas, and let's discuss the future of gaming together. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest tech news.